What's going on, fam? What's up, YouTube? And as y'all see, we got City Nash on the screen. Happy what's today? Happy Friday. Hope everybody having a blessed Friday. For the City Nash video we watching today, we're gonna be breaking down. We got Boosie on how he avoided prison time, and me personally, I'm a big Boosie fan. I be watching his little Vlad interviews and stuff. Be learning shit. Um, One thing that Boosie said that stuck with me when this came up is that I be watching his interviews and stuff, and he said before that he's never been criminally convicted of a criminal charge. Like he beat he beat the death row situation. Then after that he had got picked up with some weed. That's really it. In my opinion, this shouldn't even became a case. Then again, I get how the system worked, but I mean, he beat that charge of. We wouldn't even see him if he would have got convicted of the damn death row situation. He beat that. I just don't think he should be getting charged for this. For me personally, he ain't never really did no criminal. Got convicted of nothing criminal, so there's no reason for him to. I don't know.
Y'all know I had to get on my hood lawyer shit, man, because Boosie just messed around and got no damn prison time.
He got blessed for sure.
Going court. Boy, Kyle got me on the way, Pete.
But then, wait, hold on. Now I'm thinking about it, it's not necessarily a blessing. If everybody was saying he was only going to get about at the most 2 years, and he did about a year on house arrest on the little monitor, let's see what happened. I'm just talking too much. Let's see what happened.
So cold.
That blue look clean though, no cap.
White boy's different, boy. Grateful, bro.
I'm glad to hear he ain't get no charges. No jail time. He still got charged.
Let's get it.
Congrats, Boosie. Congrats.
So what people are trying to allege actually happened is not actually what happened.
Let me guess. They trying to allege you snitched.
Nash? I'm gonna break it down for y'all. Oh, I know. Boom. QR code, hit that or hit the fast cash goddamn link in there, man. Listen, $5 off. $5 the games. Play the freaking games, man. That's fast cash. Hit the QR code and tap the link in the description. Now back to it. So that fateful day was filmed by somebody from up over there. I don't know. But that goes on to cause a firestorm and Boosie to get pulled over. We're just going to speed run it real quick so I can catch you all the way up. Boosie gets...
Well, I'm going to speak on what he not going to say. If it seemed like he finna go past it. I don't know if y'all be watching No Jumper. I watch No Jumper. I be on YouTube a lot. With that being said, Wax said the dude that was on live was being investigated by the feds, or he was an informant. One of the two, something like that. So that's what caused for Boosie to get pulled over. Right there. The dude that was on live showing Boosie, I don't know if he purposely did it or not, but all I know is bro's either an informant or he was being investigated. And one of those two reasons led to Boosie getting pulled over with the guns.
Pulled over. Boosie gets thrown in jail. Boosie pleads. Boosie gets bail. Then they bring it back. And next thing you know, it's looking good. He get ready to accept his shit. But you know what, man? Hey. The feds come in and they swoop in. And they go ahead and charge him with a guideline that says they can give Boosie up to 10 years. But then we get some paperwork that say basically, hey bro, Boosie, they say they want you to actually do two. That's what the feds want you to do. But Boosie all throughout this shit was keeping and maintaining his composure because he was saying things like this.
I ain't going to jail. I don't speak that out my mouth.
There you go. There you go.
I'm from down south. Your word, your mouth is a powerful sword.
That's right.
I don't have a judge that hate me this time.
Mm-hmm.
I've always had judges to crucify me.
Be clear on law before anybody starts lying on the case. Boosie did not receive leniency for cooperation, and there is no legal record of him snitching. Period. Under 18 USC 922G.
I knew it's never. Man, thank you, Boosie. Thank you so much for keeping it stacked, bro. Thank you, bro. You one of the only ones we got left, bro. All these fake rapping ass niggas, bro. What?
This was strictly status-based possession offense. The government did not allege a conspiracy. They did not allege trafficking. They did not allege violence. There was no co-defendants, no cooperation, no agreements, no 5K 1.1 motion, and no Rule 35 motion filed. Those facts actually matter for those who don't care. In federal court, if someone cooperates, it shows up on the docket, it shows up in sentencing memoranda, it shows up in sealed motions referenced at the actual sentencing. None of that exists here, all right? So what actually happened is this. The court applied federal sentence guidelines, credited acceptance of responsibility. So the faster that Boosie said, this is mine, that's what it is. And it exercised judicial discretion, which the law actually allows. That's not favoritism. That's how sentencing works when a case involves nonviolent possession. No aggravating factors. Even no additional criminal conduct. Now let's talk about probation, because people misunderstand that on purpose. This actually is not getting off. This was supervised release, which is federal oversight with strict conditions. Violations are not optional. Violations are not even negotiable. So you see how Tekashi just did his goddamn 3 months. So any violation can result in immediate imprisonment without a new trial. So if he get caught, or he would have got caught doing something wrong, his ass would have got snatched. It just is what it is. Right. The court effectively said you're free, but your margin for error, that shit is already gone. And that's important because probation here strengthens the sentence instead of inflating it. It removes the chaos, it removes the exposure, and forces compliance without escalating the punishment beyond what the law requires. As for the silence, refusing to discuss sentencing publicly is not invasion, it's constitutional sense. So anything said pre-sentencing can be used to argue the lack of remorse, poor judgment, or risk of recidivism. Remaining silent protected the outcome. So legally, we just speaking here, there's no damn snitching. No favoritism. It's just shit. Get a lawyer. Narrow federal goddamn charge, clean guideline application, and a court choosing supervision over incarceration. Exactly. But it's even funnier that some people will lean to that because Boosie basically had already stated that exact same shit.
The law was passing that a 922G can't be charged if somebody doesn't have violent felons.
Thank you. Like I said, he don't got no violent crimes, so that worked in his favor.
Charged in state court arising out of the conduct at issue in this case. He was released on bond and appeared at every scheduled court proceeding, complied with all conditions of release, and conducted himself appropriately throughout the pendency of the state case. After thoroughly reviewing the facts of this case, Mr. Hatch's personal history and characteristics, the presiding state court judge indicated a willingness to resolve the matter with a probationary disposition, reflecting the court's assessment of both the limited nature and the offense conduct and Mr. Hatch's stability for supervision in the community. That's what you want. You want to absolutely bring up the fact of what the judge said previously on X-Men, but previously in the case before. When Mr. Hatch and his counsel appeared in state court prepared to accept that disposition, the district attorney dismissed the state charges. Immediately thereafter, federal agents arrested Mr. Hatch in the hallway of the courthouse and transferred him into federal custody. Mr. Hatch was subsequently brought before this court, where the then assigned United States attorney moved from detention. Mr. Hatch was initially placed on home confinement. The home confinement condition has since been removed, and Mr. Hatch has remained fully compliant with all court orders and has proceeded through the federal case without incident. And let me say this proudly, I was wrong as hell. I for sure thought Boosie was going to get a year and a half or something like that. But one part I was right on. Them damn judges, they don't listen to the feds like y'all think they do. They always, in my opinion, from what I've seen, They've always given lesser freaking time. So the judge essentially just was like, you know what? And that's where I believe it all resonates from. If the previous judge from California, which has strict laws anyways, is like, you know what? Yeah, bruh. They was going to give you 2 years probation and y'all would have... Nah, we going to do the same shit. So that, to me, reeks of the judge already did it. And there's going to be some people, I can hear them saying this, oh, no, well, he said this and he said that. It's on audio recording, it's on visual recording. His own lawyer, out her mouth, literally written in documentation.
Right.
Y'all can go to the previous video. Literally said out their mouth, yo, hey, shit. That shit don't exist. It's not real. So the police, aka the feds, they lied. They do it all the time. So the feds lied on Boosie and basically said he said all that shit, but he never said that. Because, as they said in the documentation written, the whole thing was already filmed. Like they said, the body cam filmed Boosie for the majority of the time. Exact wording. Verbatim. So I can't go off of what the hell the feds will allege to have said, but no evidence. We've seen too many cases. We've seen too many things. We've seen the Diddy trial. We've seen the YSL trial.
Mm-hmm.
Hell, we've even seen the TK trial.
Yeah.
Bruh, from how they coming about it, how they saying this shit, they weren't telling the truth. The prosecution was lying.
The whole time.
So now Boosie gets his fine, gets his community service, and it's all good in the hood. So shout out to that, man. I ain't never been more glad to be wrong in my life.
Yeah, shout out to Boosie, man.
And where I was
he
right, it is what it is. Because I did say it within the paperwork, like, shit, well, the judge already did say this. But y'all, let me know your thoughts on this. Y'all want to just pile it on Sadie Nash? Y'all can come in the comments, bruh, you wrong, you wrong, you wrong, you wrong. I'm going to get my victory dance. I told you he's getting probation. Go ahead, put it in the comments. That's fine. Or y'all one of those ones like, oh, nah, Boosie was in there wearing a wire. He cooperating. He telling. He doing this. It had to be something, bruh.
He wasn't
It
doing
had to be
that.
something. Or maybe you just disagree completely and you have a different theory as to why it worked.
That's the video, y'all, man. Shout out to Boosie. Then again, he kept it solid. Things worked out in his favor. Yeah. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Y'all feel like he did anything behind closed doors? Me personally, I don't feel like he did anything. Yeah. That's it. Y'all, drop a like, comment, subscribe. If y'all rock with me, man, share the channel. Other than that, I'm going to get at y'all in the next video. Y'all be safe.